I am Natalia. I am 7 years old, and I am from Georgia, and now I live in England. Today I have to talk about something very serious, and this is making me very, very, very sad. And I'm going to talk about nature protection. So we all sometimes do cut down trees and pick flowers. And if we cut down trees, there will be less and less oxygen, because trees help us get some extra oxygen from the air. And also people pick flowers and give them to people, and actually they don't give them fresh flowers, they give them already dead flowers, because they've all once you've picked them, they've already died. So if you don't want to kill nature, and also you want to give it to the person you like, you can just take them to the place the nice pretty flowers are growing, and just tell them that these flowers are for you. And you can also say for being very kind, that I just didn't pick them to don't kill nature and a part of nature. And also people kill animals. But also we kill animals when we're hungry in forests. If we are all in forests and we feel hungry, we might kill animals and eat them. Like Bambi's mother, Bambi's mother once got killed and got eaten too. But Bambi's mother wasn't the only food in the forest. We could have just got the ripened fruit and ate the ripened fruit in the forest, because that's the food and the other fruits in the forest. And also people use fur, the animals' fur, and kill them we just kill them for no reason, just to get their fur and make coats. Like Cruella de Vil in the 101 Dalmatians, she just wanted to get the dog and kill them to just get their fur and make coats. She was a very mean person, and that is very bad we have been very bad, that we've killed animals and got their fur just to make coats. And also we also use camel. If people make makeups, and the people who make makeups you test them on animals. The animals get very stressed, and they might get a rash, and they start crying with them making a noise, and that's the crying. That is very mean of people, because that is very bad. That is nearly killing the animals. They might get killed with the makeup. And the things we can use, and also people throw rubbish on the floor and in the lakes and stuff, and fish get killed by that. They might get caught in a can. Once maybe a teeny weeny fish can get caught in a can and never come out and cut itself and die. And that is very bad of people throwing it on the floor and in the lakes. So the things we can do to improve and not do bad things to animals and nature is we can just not pick plants, and like I just said, that we can just show them the place it's growing and tell them it's for them. And also for animals, for not to kill them and get fur, we can just make artificial fur, so fake fur, and or maybe we can just get sheep's wool, and you make coats, because they don't really mind. They might get a bit too hot in summer if it's very sunny and they've got so much layers of wool. They might get too hot, so they don't really need the wool. You can use them to make coats and stuff. And now I want to sing you guys all a song about nature, and a girl likes it, and it's likes nature, and it's called Colors of the Wind. You think I'm an ignorant savage, and it's been so many places, I guess it must be so. I cannot see. If the savage one is me, how can there be so much that you